a spare tire up in there, I don't think. So I had a little hook holding it down. But let's just do this. .5/16 for the bottom hold down here. And up here it needs a bigger one. We're going to start with that. Need a bigger one. The way it's supposed to go. There's a spider right there I'm contending with. Pretty big spider. Here. Right there. And this. Need bolted down. That's it. This is where the tire goes. And I need to tighten it all up. That's it. I think I might paint it. And that's it, y'all.